Imagine driving down a quiet countryside road and spotting what looks like a tiny Victorian mansion rolling slowly through the trees. Lace curtains sway gently in the windows. Warm lantern lights glow against polished wood, and every inch of this moving home feels like it came straight out of a forgotten fairy tale. But here's the twist. This isn't a house sitting in one place. This is a fully mobile vintage Victorian camper home. And honestly, it might be one of the coziest creations ever built on wheels. The moment you step inside, it feels like time completely changes. Modern RVs usually focus on sleek screens, sharp corners, and futuristic designs. But this camper does the exact opposite. It wraps you in warmth. Rich wooden walls, antique-style furniture, brass details, floral fabrics, tiny bookshelves, and glowing chandeliers make it feel more like a royal cottage than a vehicle. And somehow, despite all the vintage beauty, everything still works perfectly for modern travel. What makes this camper so fascinating is the contrast. From the outside, it looks like a miniature Victorian home pulled straight from the 1800s. Decorative trims line the roof. Vintage windows reflect the sunlight, and every detail feels handcrafted with care. People literally stop and stare when this thing passes by. Some smile, some pull out their phones. Others probably wonder if they just witnessed a tiny moving castle from another century. But once you realize it can actually travel anywhere, that's when it becomes truly incredible. Imagine waking up beside a peaceful lake with rain softly tapping the roof, while you sit inside, surrounded by candle-style lighting and warm wooden interiors. Or parking near snowy mountains while sipping hot coffee next to a tiny fireplace. This isn't just camping anymore. It feels like carrying your dream home into every landscape you can imagine. And somehow, despite its antique appearance, the camper is surprisingly practical. Hidden storage compartments are tucked beneath elegant seating. Compact kitchen spaces blend seamlessly into the old-fashioned design. Tiny foldable tables appear from nowhere. Every corner has been designed to feel cozy without sacrificing comfort. One of the most magical things about this Victorian camper home is how emotional it feels. Most vehicles are just transportation. They take you somewhere. But this creates an atmosphere. It changes the mood of every place you park. It turns ordinary travel into something cinematic. Picture this for a second. You're parked deep in a forest during autumn. Orange leaves cover the ground outside, while warm golden light glows through stained glass windows inside the camper. A kettle whistles softly in the kitchen. Old books rest on wooden shelves. The world outside feels cold and quiet, but inside, everything feels safe, warm, and alive. That's the power of this design. And the crazy part is that many of these Victorian-style campers are custom-built by passionate creators who spend months perfecting every tiny detail. From handcrafted cabinets to vintage wallpaper patterns, every piece feels personal. Nothing looks mass-produced. You can actually feel the love poured into the build. Some versions even include tiny porches, rooftop storage, clawfoot-style sinks, and miniature fireplaces. It's basically a luxury cottage compressed into a portable masterpiece. Now imagine taking this camper to a crowded modern RV park. Giant futuristic motorhomes surround you with flashy LED lights and metallic finishes. Then suddenly this Victorian beauty rolls in looking like it escaped from another era entirely. Instantly, all eyes shift toward it. Because this camper doesn't just blend in, it tells a story. And honestly, that's probably why people are becoming obsessed with these unique homes on wheels. In a world filled with fast technology and cold modern design, there's something comforting about slowing down and surrounding yourself with timeless beauty. This camper feels human. It feels soulful. Even nighttime becomes magical inside this rolling home. Soft amber lights reflect off dark wood walls while rain taps gently outside. Tiny curtains move slightly with the breeze. Every sound becomes calming. Every corner feels peaceful. And unlike huge RVs that can sometimes feel overwhelming, this tiny Victorian camper creates intimacy. You're close to everything you need. Every object has purpose. Every decoration adds personality. It transforms small spaces into something deeply comforting. What's even more surprising is how versatile these campers can be. Some people use them for weekend adventures. Others live in them full-time. Some turn them into traveling art studios, cozy reading spaces, or even miniature coffee shops on wheels. Wherever they go, they attract attention because they feel so different from anything else on the road. And let's talk about the craftsmanship for a moment, because it deserves appreciation. The curved woodwork, decorative trims, vintage handles, tiny shelves, patterned wallpaper, and stained glass details are not easy to create. Many builders combine old-world design with modern engineering to make these homes both beautiful and functional. That balance is what makes them so impressive. Because underneath the Victorian charm, there's still insulation, electricity, plumbing, smart storage, and all the practical things needed for comfortable travel. It's basically the best of two worlds. Old-fashioned beauty mixed with modern freedom. You know what might be the most beautiful part of all this, though? This camper changes the way people travel. Instead of rushing from destination to destination, it encourages you to slow down and actually enjoy the experience. You stop more often. You appreciate sunsets longer. You enjoy rainy evenings instead of avoiding them. The journey itself becomes part of the adventure. And honestly, that's rare nowadays. Most people dream about owning giant luxury homes or expensive sports cars. But this tiny Victorian camper proves something important. Sometimes true luxury isn't about size or speed. Sometimes it's about atmosphere, warmth, character, feeling at home no matter where you are. Imagine pulling over beside an open field during sunrise. Mist floats across the grass while the camper's windows glow softly in the early morning light. You open the tiny wooden door, step outside with a warm drink, and realize your entire home traveled there with you. That feeling must be unbelievable. And if you think this camper is only about looks, think again. Many of these homes are surprisingly durable. Built on strong trailer platforms with modern materials hidden beneath vintage exteriors, they're designed for real travel. So while they may look delicate and antique, they're often tougher than they appear. Still, the emotional experience is what truly sets them apart. Because every time someone walks inside, they instantly smile. There's just something magical about entering a space that feels warm, nostalgic, and adventurous all at once. It's not just a camper. It's a moving escape from modern stress. And maybe that's why videos of these Victorian camper homes go viral so often. People aren't only looking at the design. They're imagining a different lifestyle, a slower lifestyle, one filled with cozy evenings, peaceful travel, and beautiful surroundings. Honestly, if Fairytales had RVs, this would probably be one of them. So if you could travel anywhere in the world with this rolling Victorian dream home, where would you take it first? Snowy mountains? Quiet forests? A peaceful lakeside? Or maybe a hidden countryside road where it looks perfectly at home? Tell me your dream destination in the comments below, because I'd genuinely love to know. And if you enjoyed stepping inside this incredible vintage Victorian camper home, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing homes on